Hey everybody, it's 1:23 and this is Friday, August the 25th. Just had our lunch and everybody's home, including hubby, and just came out to the back porch to check out the situation or the weather. As we see, we don't got any rain, but wind's picking up a little bit. Kind of see that tree right there. I can still hear builders working out, in the neighborhood. And we're fixing to go to Walmart in Tomball just to, I don't know, just check it out. And Ava just went and changed since she knew I was going to make a video. So yeah, just wanted to make a video so those of our friends and family can see what kind of situation is out here in Cypress, which is where we live. Kind of want to go out, but I have to climb the fence, y'all. 48 years old, climb a fence. This is our backyard, which, if you notice, it seems to be missing a pool, right? But I've been told we need 2 incomes for that. Oh, here we go. There's nothing going on back here. This is just behind our house. There's a retention pond, which should it flood, that's where the water would go. Eva, is that a bee behind you? No, it's not. It's a love bug. So yeah, this is the back, and I'm going to pause now so we can go to the front. Okay, now we're going to go outside. Why is the fan on in this room? When? Yesterday. You've had it running all night? Yeah, why? You're wasting electricity. Come on, open the door. Hurry up. Okay, we're just coming out. We're making a video, Chris, just to see what's going down in Cypress. And as you can see, nothing. And here's my bushes, gardenia bush that died. So those little yellow things that I posted. Miss Sylvia Medina, you're the only one that answered me. Here's the eggs again. Anybody know what this is that I found in the root ball? I don't know what they are. Too bad they're not pearls. So yeah, nothing happening yet at almost 1:30 on Friday. Very minimal rain. You can see it on the window here of the car. Very minimal rain. So, I guess we'll update with everybody later. We got nothing better to do. Kids are out of school today, all the way to Monday. Who knows, probably might be even longer. I don't know. I'm just glad I didn't have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning again. So, yeah. Say bye, Chris.